Oh, hello there. When we sneeze, we use a German word Gesundheit to wish each other health. That's no accident. The health sector has traditionally been a German strength, and nowhere was that more prominently on display than with the rise of BioNTech and its founders Özlem Türeci and Ugur Şahin. BioNTech's projected revenues for 2021 are 24.9 billion euros. The company alone accounts for a significant part of the expected annual growth in this sector this year of 3%. In making its vaccine, BioNTech signed more than 1,200 contracts with over 150 other firms. Together with American partner Pfizer, they developed in record time one of the world's leading coronavirus vaccines. It's now helping people around the world and earning billions. And that's by no means the only such international collaboration. So let's look at the German health sector, BioNTech and beyond. Pharmaceutical giant Takeda from Japan has been active in Germany since 1981. Now it's stepping up its engagement with its first vaccine production center outside Japan. The location it selected was Singen in the southwestern regional state of Baden-Württemberg. Takeda is developing a vaccine against dengue fever and is taking advantage of decades of German experience in freeze drying, a process crucial to manufacturing the inoculation.
We are investing heavily here on the site to keep production modern and competitive, but also because we take responsibility. Responsibility for the people who work here in Singen and responsibility for people around the world who can live better lives thanks to the medicines from Baden-Württemberg.
Germany has long been known as the world's pharmacy, but the healthcare industry goes much further. Swiss giant Roche, for instance, is also big on Germany. German expertise in diagnostics was vital to Roche's rapid development and mass production of several COVID-19 tests in the early stage of the pandemic. Roche has long maintained multiple locations in Germany, and it's putting 420 million euros into a new diagnostic research center and production plants in the southern town of Penzberg. It's also fostering startup platforms in major German cities, focusing on digitalization. That's what it calls the third pillar of the sector, along with pharmaceuticals and diagnostics.
The benefits of the site in Germany is the quality and the reliability. We keep our timelines when we have large investment projects, and we also keep the cost budget.
Germany is Europe's largest healthcare market. Its biotech industry alone takes in 5 billion euros a year and employs more than 30,000 people. But the potential of the sector as a whole is far greater, as Germany looks to close the gap on countries like the United States and the United Kingdom. Companies that set up shop in Germany benefit from the country's world-class network of research institutions, names like Fraunhofer, Helmholtz, Max Planck and more. Fraunhofer, for example, is opening a new location in Penzberg.
Of course, there will be the opportunity for cooperation between this applied science and our industrial research.
Companies also benefit from so-called bioregions, clusters connecting experts, businesses and political leaders.
In addition to about 400 universities, there are also numerous non-university research institutes that are very effective at both fundamental and applied research. And of course, there is the largest pharmaceutical industry headcount of Europe. The combined expertise of these researchers creates a talent pool in the life science sector, which is vital, of course, for such a knowledge-intensive industry as biotech and pharma.
So who knows, maybe we'll be back here in a year or two talking about the next BioNTech. If you think your company fits in with this growing array of innovative healthcare firms, please contact gtai.com for a consultation about doing business in Germany. As a government agency, our services are free. And give us a like or a share if this video stimulated some ideas. Till next time, we wish you good health. Gesundheit!